Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we'll do history, making of our global world. We have not finished yet. 4.1. In our previous class we have talked about Bretton Woods institution, the causes for the setting up of these institutions. Post-war means after the war. Settlement and Bretton Woods institution. We'll talk about that. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 points. We'll talk about one by one. To preserve economic stability, to maintain the stability of the economic growth and full employment to the people or the workers in the industrial world. A framework was agreed by the industrial countries upon at the United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference means meeting, held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods. It's a place. Bretton Woods is not a name of a person, it is a name of a place in New Hampshire in USA. In USA, there is a name of a place named as Bretton Woods. Here a meeting took place and the industrial countries, their member, they came over there, had a meeting and they talked about financial problems. After war, they need to construct or rebuild their industries. The infrastructure which has been destroyed has to be rebuilt, and they had a meeting how to set up this economic stability and employment to the people for economic growth. So, number 2, the established IMF, that is a short form of International Monetary Fund. They set up the International Monetary Fund. All the countries, they invested money and whoever needed the money, it was given to them. The established International Monetary Fund deal with external surplus. Whichever country has surplus money, extra money, such as America, they had a lot of money at that time, with the external surplus and deficit means loss. Whichever country is earning a profit in the trade and whichever country had a deficit or the loss should be make up surplus and deficit of its member nations. The member nations were given loans by International Monetary Fund, which they had set up in 1944 at Bretton Woods in USA. So, World Bank, number 3, World Bank was also set up to finance post-war reconstruction. Post-war, after the war, reconstruction has to be done. All the infrastructures were destroyed and it has to be reconstructed, and they required money. And they set up the World Bank also from International Monetary Fund or from World Bank. They used to get the loan. Not to all, only for those members of these two institutions. So whoever are the member of these institutions, they used to get the loan for reconstruction of infrastructure or industries. Number 4, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, and World Bank are referred to as the Bretton Woods institution or Bretton twins. So, if anyone asks you a question, name the two institutions of Bretton Woods. So, the Bretton Woods institutions are International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. These two are the Bretton Woods institutions formed to supply loans, to provide loans to those countries who run deficit or who require, to those member countries whoever requires the loan. So they used to provide the loan to those member countries. Number 5, post-war world economic system. After the war, the economic system, international economic system, or we can say international means world economic system is also known as Bretton Woods system. This is also known as Bretton Woods system. The system of providing loans by International Monetary Fund and World Bank. After much discussion and after having a meeting, they set up these two institutions. So now number 6, they started financial operations in 1947. It was set up in 1944, and from 1947 they started providing loans to the member countries, whoever needed. Number 7, the decision making. Decision, what type of decision? Who has to get the first loan, who will get the second loan, who will get the third loan, or who should get the loan, who should not get the loan at the moment. All this decision making was controlled by Western industrial powers. All the Western industrial powers, they controlled the decision making. And the USA has the right, effective right of veto. Veto means to whom to give, whom to not to give, yes or no. If the other Western industrial power said now provide the loan to this country, to this member country, if America says no, not now, so that is called a veto. So veto power. The USA has the effective right to veto over key decisions of these institutions, International Monetary Fund and World Bank. And the manager of the World Bank is always from America. We will read afterwards later on. So in democratic politics also we'll talk about that. So the USA has the effective veto rights over key decision of these two institutions. So you can see there, this is the post-war settlement and Bretton Woods institutions set up by these industrial countries to help each other progress for economic stability and regular employment to the people, as well as to grow together. But later on we will come to know that these institutions do not function democratically, because America has the veto power. So we will learn something more about in our next class. Today this much for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe. Make a habit of going through the online portal every day so that you will not miss the lessons. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.